Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making a cocktail called Kiss the Boys Goodbye. We're going to start off with 0.75 ounces of egg white, 0.75 ounces of fresh squeezed lemon juice, half an ounce of simple syrup. So this original recipe calls for Sloe gin. I don't have Sloe gin, so another substitute is just a Blackberry liqueur. So that's what I'm going to be using today. So we're going to use 1 ounce of Blackberry liqueur. I almost had a stroke. And then,
a lot of those.
I know. And then 1 ounce of Cognac. Try not to spill.
Don't do that.
All right. Now that we have all those in there, we're going to do a dry shake or a mime shake to emulsify the egg.
Emulsifying, and I just can't hide it.
It's too early for that. Knock it off. And then,
Rude.
I know. And then once you have emulsified your egg, we're going to add ice to our smaller shaker tin. And then we're going to shake for roughly another 10 seconds to chill down and dilute the cocktail. Oh.
Oh, I'm so sad.
I know. Drip, 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 drip. Okay. Shh. And then we are going to double strain into our coupe glass. If this fly doesn't leave me alone, I'm going to lose my cookies.
So long as it doesn't land in the cocktail.
I know. Well, it's not landing in the cocktail, but it just keeps buzzing around my face. It just landed on my freaking hand.
Fly by the fly.
Don't judge me.
Good skills there, mate.
Shush your tush. Excuse me. Oh, no.
Well, there's the fly.
No, it's not. There is, however, a doggo hair. It's no longer in there. All right, for our garnish, we are going to use a dehydrated lemon wheel. And there we have Kiss the Boys Goodbye. Look how pretty.
What a name.
I know. I don't know. It's in a book somewhere. Just you hush it.
Okay, anyways.
It wasn't my name, okay? Okay.
Drink your cocktail.
You be quiet. I'm going to taste the cocktail. I'm going to rate the cocktail as well. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. 1 is I would have 1 cocktail move on. 5, I would drink this all night and hate myself in the morning. Where are we going to land today? Well, the way somebody's singing in the background.
On key.
On key. I don't really smell a whole lot. Oh, it's very nice. I taste predominantly the Blackberry liqueur. I really don't taste much of the Cognac, to be honest, but I get that nice mouthfeel from the egg white. This is delicious. This is very light, very vibrant, very easy to drink. I'm curious, at some point I will get some Sloe gin and see how the change of getting rid of the Blackberry liqueur and actually what the recipe calls for, see how that changes it up. But this is delicious. This is a very easy cocktail to drink. I'm going to give this one a 5 out of 5. I would definitely have multiple of these because this is very, very yummy. And it's just pretty. Look at it.
Oh, so pretty. Hey.
Anyway, so 5 out of 5 for me, but I want to know what you guys think. So ingredients are going to be listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail right at home. And then make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all at the next pour. Cheers.